WSO2 API Manager is a comprehensive platform designed to streamline the process of designing, publishing, and managing application programming interfaces, APIs. It provides a set of tools and functionalities that enable organizations to create and expose APIs for internal and external consumption. Here are some key features and capabilities of WSO2 API Manager. 1. API Lifecycle Management. API Manager offers a complete API lifecycle management solution. It supports the entire lifecycle of an API, including API creation, versioning, documentation, testing, deployment, and retirement. It provides a unified interface for managing APIs from design to deprecation, making it easier to maintain and evolve APIs over time. 2. API Design and Documentation. API Manager includes a design-first approach, allowing users to define API specifications using popular API description languages such as Swagger and OpenAPI. It offers a graphical interface for designing APIs, defining endpoints, specifying request/response formats, and documenting API functionalities. The built-in documentation portal makes it easy for developers to understand and consume the APIs. 3. API Gateway and Runtime. API Manager incorporates an API Gateway component that acts as a secure and scalable entry point for API requests. The gateway handles request routing, security enforcement, throttling, and caching. It provides features like rate limiting, authentication, authorization, and encryption to protect and control access to APIs. The gateway can be horizontally scaled to handle high API traffic volumes. 4. API Security and Policies. API Manager includes robust security features to protect APIs and ensure data integrity. It supports various security mechanisms such as OAuth, JWT, and mutual SSL/TLS for authentication and authorization. It allows administrators to define security policies and enforce them across APIs, ensuring compliance with security standards and regulations. 5. API Monetization. API Manager provides capabilities for API monetization, allowing organizations to create revenue models around their APIs. It supports different monetization strategies such as subscription-based pricing, pay-per-use, and freemium models. It enables organizations to define pricing plans, generate invoices, and manage subscriptions, providing a platform for API monetization. 6. Developer Portal. API Manager offers a developer portal that serves as a self-service platform for API consumers. The portal provides a catalog of available APIs, documentation, code samples, and interactive API consoles for testing and exploring APIs. Developers can register, obtain API keys, and manage their applications, fostering developer engagement and collaboration. 7. Analytics and Insights. API Manager includes built-in analytics capabilities to monitor and gain insights into API usage, performance, and trends. It provides real-time and historical data on API traffic, response times, errors, and user behavior. The analytics enable organizations to monitor the health of APIs, identify bottlenecks, optimize performance, and make informed decisions based on usage patterns. 8. Integration and Extensibility. API Manager integrates with other components of the WSO2 integration platform, such as WSO2 Identity Server and WSO2 Gateway. It can also be extended and customized to meet specific integration requirements. The platform supports various integration protocols and can integrate with existing backend systems, ensuring seamless connectivity and interoperability. 9. Multi-tenancy and Scalability. API Manager supports multi-tenancy, allowing organizations to host multiple APIs for different groups or customers within a single instance. It provides tenant isolation, security, and resource allocation for each tenant. The platform is horizontally scalable, enabling organizations to handle increased API traffic and accommodate growing demands. WSO2 API Manager is a widely adopted solution for managing APIs, enabling organizations to expose their digital assets securely, control access, and foster innovation through API consumption. It provides a comprehensive set of tools and functionalities to drive API-centric strategies and support digital transformation initiatives.